How we doing? How we doing? I'm Charlie Anthony. I'm giving you the latest updates over here. It's that time of the week. I was supposed to give you my Super Bowl picks, the team, the over under, and all that stuff. But I got to be honest with you. I haven't watched a football game in maybe 10 years. I have no idea who's playing. I barely remember how to play. But I hope they win. What could I tell you? I want to give a shout out to a very special woman. We're talking about Larry Cadillac, and her name is Gabrielle, and she bought the place. And it's located near the movie theater across from Taka and Asbury. You're talking about 725 Cookman Avenue, 732 455 5898. I was lucky I was a walk in, and there was nobody in the chair, and there was nobody else there but me and her. She gave me a haircut. Happy. Got no complaints. My barber of 15 years retired, and I needed to make a move. So not only did I make a move, it was seamless. I'm super happy with the cut. She did a good job on me. This is already a week old. And I got a barber, just like that. So I'm really happy. And tell her I said hello if you see her. Larry Cadillac is the name of the place. What else can we talk about right now? They're expecting 7-degree weather. What are you going to do? That's not the feel like. The feel like could be 7 below, 11 below. We don't know what we're talking about. We got mounds of snow out there that's hard as a rock and going nowhere anytime soon. This is winter, baby. And to tell you the truth, I'd love to skip out, go to Turnsbury for a couple of weeks, a week at least, 8 days, but such a hassle to get on the airplane, to get to the airport, to get there, to get off the. They make it to the point where it doesn't pay, by the way, almost. I give all those people that do it, I give them credit, all the credit in the world. They do it. Anyway, I'm going to turn in early tonight. That's the story over here. I got my new humidifiers. The old one broke. These don't look like they could do the job, by the way. It says here that I'm 81 degrees and I am 17% humidity. 17% is not going to cut it. So hopefully this place gets a little more humid. A little percentage goes up to 30, 40, but it's not happening. This machine doesn't have the strength. The rooms are too big and the air is too dry. I'm always happy to check in with everybody. It's great to talk to you. Hope you're having a safe and great winter.